In the heart of the Middle East, tensions between Hezbollah and Israel are reaching a boiling point now. The Lebanese armed group's deputy leader, Sheikh Naim Qassem, has issued a stark warning. Hezbollah is prepared for all-out war. That's what he said. Qassem's declaration comes amidst a backdrop of escalating hostilities across the Lebanese-Israeli border. For the past 8 months, both sides have engaged in a dangerous dance of violence, raising fears of a wider conflict. The situation is dire, with Hezbollah vowing to resist any Israeli aggression. Their commitment to battle is unwavering as they stand ready to defend Lebanon against what they perceive as Israeli incursions. But Israel is not backing down either. With tensions at their highest since the 2006 war and especially increased after last year's October 7 attack by Hamas, Israeli officials are weighing their options and preparing for the possibility of a major confrontation. The stakes are high and the international community is watching closely. Amidst the rhetoric of war, there are calls for diplomacy and de-escalation. But the path to peace remains elusive. As the drums of war beat louder, the people of Lebanon and Israel brace themselves for what may come next. The specter of all-out conflict looms large, casting a shadow over the region's future. In this volatile landscape, every move carries the potential for catastrophe. The fate of millions hangs in the balance, as Hezbollah and Israel stand on the brink of a devastating showdown. What do you think? Will the international community respond to escalating tensions in the Middle East and the latest war developments between Israel and Hezbollah? Tell us in the comments below. And keep following One India News for all the latest war updates.